Here's how to fix a bad middle part and fast. There's a number of things you can do. The first thing is time. Let's just say that you're rushing in the morning, whether you're going to school, whether you're going to work, you wash your hair the night before, and you woke up, and you normally wear your hair in like a middle part, but it's very, very flat because you slept on it, you have bedhead, or it's just not laying properly. You have a couple of different options. If you don't want to wet your hair, because especially if you blow dried it straight and your hair is wavy or curly, the minute water hits your hair, it's going to go back to its original state, which means like that was a complete waste of blow drying it all that time. So you need to be very, very careful. Don't wet it. What you need to do in that situation is use either a vent brush, and this is very important. This is my anti-static vent brush. Why is anti-static important? Because if you're using something else and you start brushing your hair, it's going to start being a frizz ball and hair is going to be sticking up all over the place because of the static. So what you want to do is try to comb your hair back and comb it in a variety of different directions. This way you're going to start to kind of loosen that hair up a bit and get it to lay as natural as possible and as fast as possible. And again, the benefit of this, and I've used numerous brushes throughout my 30-year career, a lot of them just create, like if you were to take a comb and start combing through it, chances are it'd be very, very staticky. So what you want to do is try to get that natural parting and soften it up as fast as you possibly can. And you want to obviously be looking in the mirror to check to see where that natural parting is, okay? So for this mannequin, because it's not wet, it is somewhat of a challenge, and this is probably what you might be facing. So here is the second part of this. The first thing, okay, the first part, we got rid of all the knots, we gave the hair some natural direction, kind of got rid of the bed head, so we have more of a natural flow going on. This is the first part. Second part is product. So this is my sea salt hair powder called Beach House. I recently reformulated this. It's the best hair powder I've ever used in my career as a professional stylist. This particular version, which is the most recent, this is what's shipping out now. Makes your hair actually feel soft. It's not as grippy, and it doesn't leave white residue or white buildup in your hair. So I can't even believe the result of this. So what you want to do is bring the hair back and lightly dab it, because a lot will come out. So you want to lightly dab it and try to get it as close to the root area as possible. And what I'm doing is I'm just trying to add a little bit of light grit and texture to the hair so it's got a bit more pliability. And why am I saying get it close to the scalp? And that's what's great about this new formula, is that it's not going to leave white residue. Well, you're able to actually mold and sculpt the hair in a very, very fast, efficient way. Get right in that front, right in there. Because what you're going to be able to do is now sculpt, and you can see that now I'm able to work that hair a bit more where I want it. So this is kind of like targeted sprays, as you can see. And then you just kind of work it in with the hands like this. And then what you can do is you can then start to build that parting in because of the hair powder. You can see now I've got a bit more control. So you're able to go in and then reshape that parting in a much easier way. And you can see now it's looking a bit better and looking a bit more natural compared to how, maybe it was before. You could see I could even bring this down. It's more centered now, and then you're out the door. You didn't have to wet your hair or do anything. This was fast, efficient, and something that, I would do as a professional. These are all tips and tricks that I've learned. It's all about sculpting and, shaping the hair with the tools you have. If you want to check out any of the products I mentioned, you can see them right here under View Products. I highly suggest them from a 30-plus year professional's standpoint. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.